Here's how you can set up Amazon attribution links. Attribution links are special links to your products that only you can have. These links are special because you can analyze these links on how many people click on them to get your product. This is mainly used for advertising. For example, if you have a campaign that you're doing outside of Amazon and you want to know how it's performing, you use this special link that leads to your product to know the exact data and to analyze this campaign. It tells you the exact clicks, the exact add to carts, the exact purchases, and so many more data that you get from this link. Now, also a special thing for this link is if you get sales, you would get a discount on the referral bonus that Amazon takes from you. So for example, Amazon usually takes around 15% from most categories. If you get a sale from these attribution links, this 15% can go all the way to 5%, meaning it would be a 10% discount. This is because Amazon likes the idea that sellers are driving people into Amazon outside of Amazon. So if people were using their social media accounts and you get them to go into the Amazon website, this is something that Amazon really likes. And on top of that, you made a sale from your own advertising rather than Amazon bringing you the sale themselves. So it makes sense both ways. It is your right that you're getting a lesser referral fee, and Amazon are satisfied that you're doing so. Now moving on, let me show you how you can do these attribution links. So you head over to your Seller Central account. Then you go to the three lines in the top left corner. Then you go to advertising. Then you click on measure non-Amazon ads. Once you do that, it takes you to this page and you click on visit the advertising council. So right now I'm in this page. I have my date set up for this month and it shows me all the information that's needed, the sales, the click-through rates, and also it shows me the brand referral bonus over here. And this number is important for you to know to analyze your campaign better. So if we scroll down, you can see all my campaigns here. Now mainly this was the main campaign I was doing. I was doing an ad on Meta and we got a lot of click-through rates. We got a lot of add to carts and purchases. And basically, this is what the data will look like if you do an Amazon referral link campaign. So this data is pretty well organized and easy to understand. It's straightforward. It helps you understand the campaign that you're doing outside of Amazon. Obviously, you have a budget that you're doing outside of Amazon. You have to calculate that as well and see if it makes sense. You also want to subtract the brand referral bonus that you're getting from the ad budget. This way you have a better idea if this campaign is successful or not. Now moving on, let me show you how you can create it. So you click on create campaign right here. Now it gives you two options. We're gonna go ahead and create it manually. And then we scroll down, we can give this a name. Now what I would recommend is naming it based on the campaign that you're doing. So if you're doing a Facebook ad, you can call it Facebook advertising. Now you can add all the products that you want. Now for me, if I want to advertise all my product, I can click on add all on this page. Let's do this. We can also choose any product that we want and we can go ahead and continue. Now, if you're doing multiple products, you can put the ad group for each product. It depends on which type of campaign that you want. So for us in this case, we're putting all of our products into this campaign that we're advertising on Facebook. That's the main idea of the campaign is Facebook advertising. We can go ahead and create ad groups for the different products so that we know how these products perform on the platform itself. So for me, I have multiple products. This is one of my products. It's called Othello. And Amazon would like to know what is the publisher. You could just put Facebook. That is fine. And you need to give them the click-through rate URL of your product. Now, one way you can get the link for your product is if you go to your Seller Central account, then you go to menu, then inventory and manage all inventory. You search for your product and then you go to your product's name, which is in this case, my product is called Othello, and you right click here, then you click on copy link address. Then you go ahead to your campaign and then you can paste it. This is the best way you can find the link for your product. And it's not the lengthy one because Amazon do not accept a lengthy one. They accept this short link, so you can go ahead and do that. Now I can add another ad group. Let's put in my second product. We can put in Facebook as well, social, and we put in the second link. Once we're done, we can go ahead and create this campaign. We click on the top right corner on this button. And now if we scroll down, we can see the attribution tags right here. And this is the link that you'll be using for people to click onto your product. You need to save this link somewhere. You can download it as a CSV file, save it somewhere, save it on your computer. Make sure the links are working. Later on, you can go back to the campaign page that I showed you at the start, and you can analyze the campaign and see if it's actually working and if it's getting traffic. If it's not getting traffic, this means that you either copied the link incorrectly. That's most likely the case, but with what I'm familiar with, the links always work. So save these links, use them on your social media platforms or any platform that you're advertising on. Monitor how much traffic is going in and how much sales is happening from these links and analyzing your campaigns properly. So this is basically how you can create Amazon attribution links. And it's important as a seller to know that you have this option. And if you have any questions in regards of setup or analyzing, please leave me a message. Also, I have a discount for Helium 10. If you're interested in that, you can check it out as well. I hope you found value in this video. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you're interested in a consultation, please check the link below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.